Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see who viewed your TikTok profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to see who viewed your TikTok profile, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And over here guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon available for us. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. And on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your two footprints icon just beside the tree line icon. Tap on that footprint icon and you'll be on this interface where all of the personnel who had viewed your TikTok profile on the past will be over here. Since nobody has visited my TikTok account on 30 days, there are no audience available for me over here. But in your case, all of the personnel who had viewed your TikTok profile will be here. And with that being said guys, this is how to see who viewed your TikTok video. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.